Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves to add a little extra sparkle to your eye makeup, or if you find yourself constantly searching for the perfect glitter mascara and eyeliner combo, today's review could be exactly what you need. We're talking about the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Glitter Mascara and Tattoo Studio Eyeliner Bundle. This set promises a cosmic look with smudge-resistant gel eyeliner that lasts for up to 36 hours and a glitter-infused mascara for lashes that sparkle from root to tip. If that sounds like something you've been missing, keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. First, let's break down what we're working with here. This duo consists of two main components, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Eyeliner in Stardust Chrome and the Lash Sensational Sky High Glitter Mascara in Space Diamond. Both are designed to bring some serious shine to your eye makeup game, with the eyeliner offering smooth, intense color in one stroke, while the mascara is built to extend every lash with its unique Flex Tower brush. The eyeliner promises 36-hour wear without fading or smudging, while the mascara is all about limitless sparkle, making it a go-to if you want to create a dramatic, glittery look. In terms of ingredients, the eyeliner's gel formula glides on effortlessly, and it's designed to stay put no matter the weather or the day's activities. Meanwhile, the mascara's formula is packed with glitter particles, offering the kind of shine that's bound to catch light at every angle. Both products are easy to apply, and the eyeliner has the added benefit of being perfect for precise lining along both the upper and lower lash lines. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using this duo for a few days, and I've got to say, both products deliver on their promises. The eyeliner really does glide on smoothly, with one stroke giving me defined, bold lines without any tugging. It's the kind of product that doesn't require multiple layers or touch-ups throughout the day, which I really appreciate. As for the mascara, the Flex Tower brush is a game changer. It's super bendable, which makes it easy to coat every lash, even the tiniest ones in the corner of the eye. The formula itself is lightweight, but still manages to add length and volume, all while providing that signature glittery finish. I've found that it doesn't flake throughout the day, which is something I look for in any mascara, especially when it comes to glitter formulas that can sometimes get messy. When it comes to application, both products are easy to integrate into your regular makeup routine. The eyeliner is ideal for a bold, smoky eye, while the mascara provides a pop of glitter for a more playful, glamorous finish. And trust me, this combination can be worn day or night, whether you're going for a subtle touch of shimmer or a full-on dramatic effect. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, both products are highly pigmented, easy to apply, and long-lasting. The eyeliner, especially, is a standout because it doesn't smudge, and the mascara delivers on its promise of sparkle without clumping. On the downside, some people may find the glitter in the mascara a little too much for a more minimalist look, but that's all about personal preference. When it comes to value for money, I think the bundle is fairly priced, considering the quality of both the eyeliner and the mascara. The eyeliner, with its 36-hour wear and smooth application, feels like it's worth the price on its own. The mascara adds a unique, glittery touch to the mix, which can really elevate your eye makeup look for special occasions or when you want a little extra sparkle in your everyday routine. As for comparisons, there are plenty of glitter mascaras on the market, but what sets this one apart is the buildable volume and the flexibility of the mascara brush. It's not just about adding glitter, it's about lengthening and lifting your lashes at the same time. If you're someone who's had trouble with glitter mascaras clumping or smudging, this one is worth a try. When it comes to build quality, both products feel sturdy and well made. The packaging is sleek and practical, and I haven't had any issues with either product drying out or becoming difficult to use after repeated applications. In terms of longevity, both products hold up throughout the day without any noticeable fading or flaking, which is always a win in my book. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this duo, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had to deal with customer support for this particular set, Maybelline has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful when it comes to inquiries, so you can feel confident in their customer service if any issues arise. No updates to note for this product, but that's good news. It's already a solid performer as is. If you're on the hunt for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other glitter mascaras and eyeliners out there that provide similar sparkle and definition. However, if you're willing to splurge a little, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Eyeliner and Lash Sensational Sky High Glitter Mascara bundle offers performance and quality that's hard to beat. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a glittery, dramatic eye look that's easy to apply and stays put for hours, this is definitely a solid option. The eyeliner gives you the precision and longevity you need, while the mascara adds that touch of sparkle that takes your look to the next level. I'd recommend this duo for anyone who loves bold eye makeup or is looking to add a bit of glitz to their everyday routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.